Welcome to our new home. Okay, so when you walk in, you have what was the dining room over here, but this is gonna be my office. And there are some holes where they've patched the paint that we're gonna have to paint up. I think I'm gonna put like my sofa table here that I have in the house now behind the couch. We have one of these vents in the old house like that too, so. And I'm gonna have to figure out some decor to go around the thermostat and the light switch, which they placed right in the middle of the wall. But I have these two windows here. You can see the front yard. And then in there is the kitchen. We'll go in there in a minute. But then as you turn to your left, you have the basement door, and then upstairs, and then over here, we have just like, I guess it's actually a formal living room, but I'm actually gonna make it like a sitting room slash kind of playroom for Kinsley, I think. If you guys have any ideas for me for what we should use this room for, you can definitely let me know in the comments. And I'm gonna be bringing you guys along on the journey to kind of see how everything comes together. But for now, I think I'm gonna put like a shelf with some baskets of her toys and maybe like some chairs and things like that, and her little table that she colors on. Okay, so now I'm showing you, that's the door we came in, that's my office, and then that's the little like sitting room. So we'll go ahead, you can also see the kitchen through there, and we're gonna go in there in a minute, but you go in, here is the living room, and it has vaulted ceilings. And then it has this big window on this side, and then this big window on this side. I love this room. It's really large and bright. And then we have the fireplace here. It's a gas fireplace. And then they had surround sound and they left it. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to tap into that or what we're gonna end up doing, but that's what that is. Oh, that's the alarm on my phone. I'll be right back. Okay, so that is upstairs. That's kind of like an opening in here that you can peek up there. And then you can get to the kitchen from this way as well. And we'll go ahead and go into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. And the island, I love the island. I've always wanted an island, and there's double ovens. And then this is where the kitchen table will go. It has these big windows here. And then I guess those are French doors. And I really like the little blinds are inside the glass here. And you just slide this and they open and close, which is pretty cool. And then let's see, so right here is where I'll be putting that little buffet table that I got. You guys saw I got it at a yard sale. That was my phone. I got a text message that I got at a yard sale for $200. It's an $800 buffet table. That's going to go there. And then the table here. And then here's the kitchen. Maddie's really excited about the double ovens because she loves to bake. I've never had double ovens, but there's lots of storage for like large appliances. And then I really like that it has a drawer under here where you can put your baking pans, and they're right underneath of the oven. And these are soft close cabinets. And then I have a bunch of storage in the island. And then we have a gas stove, and I've never had a gas stove before, but I'm being told by lots of people that I'm going to love it. It's going to be different to clean, but I've heard it's really easy. I'm just going to pull these up. But you guys will see how that goes in many videos in the future. So let's see. And then over here they have like this glass cabinet, and they have where you can hang your wine glasses, and then wine storage, and then a wine fridge, which is pretty cool. And then so a lot of the lighting in the house is updated, and then others is kind of original to the house. And even though these are new, I don't know if you can really see because of the lighting, but even though they're new, sorry, I don't love them, so eventually I would like to replace them to be more farmhousey, but they're fine for now. And then like this lighting here I think is original to the house, with its like leaves on it. So I have in mind what I want to get. So hopefully we can get that soon. Let's see, here's the refrigerator. It's all LG appliances. I've never owned LG appliances, so we'll see. But I've also never owned a fridge like this with the freezer on the bottom and then the double doors. So I'm really excited about this fridge. There's this. I don't think this has a Lazy Susan. It's just a big open space for like big appliances. And the soft close drawers. And then I'm really excited because we have a pantry now, an actual pantry for our food. So I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to do pantry organizing videos for you guys. And then down this hallway is, we would think this would be a laundry room, but it's not. The laundry room's upstairs. So this is going to be my cleaning closet. I'm going to keep all my cleaning supplies and my vacuums and the dog food and all of that. It's going to go in here. But it's just a big, like, laundry size closet. And then right here is a half bath. And it's just a toilet. The light should come on in a second. Usually it comes on. Did it not? That's exhausting. There we go. It's got this little... Okay, we'll focus. This little like vanity, which is cute. The mirror is not cute. I don't love the mirror, so I will be replacing that eventually and be painting and all that good stuff, but it's just a half bath. And then the garage is right here. Not much to it. It's just a garage. We do have this, and I love that because out there is a barn, and I'll show you that in a minute. But that's, we can come in from outside and wash up right there. So I'm excited about that. So let's go upstairs first. So you go upstairs, you've got this little landing here that you can see down in the living room. And there's a fan in this hallway, which I think is really weird. I don't know if that was an afterthought. But, and then you go up more stairs, and then when you get up here, you have this hallway, and off to the right is a bedroom. These rooms are being painted. They're going to be starting today on painting in these rooms because these colors are like super ultra bright. So I will show you that, of course, when it's finished. And there's the closet, and then there's like a built-in bookshelf here. And then this room has like a kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom. I'll show you in a minute, but it's a bathroom off of this room. We've got like a little pantry area. And then this cabinetry up here is original to the house. So I'm going to be painting it. I'm really excited about it. I love that this house is like beautiful downstairs, but it also still needs a little bit of work. And so it's projects for me and content for you guys. I can't wait to make this over and paint it and put new mirrors up and new lighting. But there's this bathroom here. And then when you walk through, you've got what you would think, this is kind of like a bedroom. It has a closet, but it's going to be our bonus room. And we're going to have like a couch in here, and then the TV and their toys. And it has a closet as well. We'll probably keep like board games in there. And you can also get to this room from the hallway. So if you walk in there, you go back into that room, or you can walk out and go back out into the hallway. I have another bedroom here. Again, it's a really bright color, so it's going to be painted. But it has its own bathroom as well, and this bathroom is going to be painted. Has a little window up there above the shower. I'm going to just paint this bathroom to match the bedroom, and then it needs a new mirror because I don't know what happened to this mirror, but I'm going to be replacing that mirror. So this is the little bathroom, and then it has a closet in here. It's a pretty big closet. Okay, so now let's go see the master. I'll show you the laundry room first. So this is the laundry room. It is upstairs. It's got cabinets, which I'm really excited about. I like that. Lots of storage. That's where the washer and dryer go. Storage, and then this is just attic. I'll show you. It's just walk-in attic space. Pretty cool for storage and stuff. And then they had a kitty, so there's a little kitty door. And then this is the master. And right now it's like a really dark gray. It's having a hard time focusing there. Right now it's a really dark gray color, but it's going to be painted as well. But it has a really pretty double trade ceiling. And then this like bay window, which is really pretty. And then the bathroom is kind of weird because you step down into it. You step down and then it has his and hers closets. And it does have doors. They just took them off. We're going to probably put those back on. But the closets aren't huge by any means. But I'm so excited to have my own closet that I don't have to share. So that's that closet. And then over here is the same thing, just on the opposite side. And then these little doors are attic space. And then this is the master bathroom. So it has his and her vanities. This one will be mine. Obviously, it has the little vanity area there. I'm excited. I don't know how I'm going to set this up yet, but I'm definitely going to be painting the cabinets. And I like the lighting. I think it's really pretty. And I don't mind the mirrors. I think it just needs paint, and the vanity needs paint, and it will just look amazing. But I'm also thinking I'm going to put my full length mirror there, so I'll have a really good mirror with great lighting for like outfit of the days and things like that. And then the little toilet is in there. We've got the jutted tub, and then we've got his vanity. I like that I don't have to share a vanity with him because he's very messy. And then this is the shower, the big walk-in shower, which is pretty cool. I'm excited about this. It's got like little nooks where you can put your shampoo and stuff in, and then it's got a little bench where you can sit down and shave your legs or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Now we're gonna go down in the basement. So this is probably the original carpeting that came with the house. It's a gray color. I don't know if you can tell, but you go down these stairs. It's kind of like the same setup as upstairs, but opposite. Go down, and this is just a basement. To tell you the truth, I probably won't be down here too much, but this is like a workout area that they had set up, and then that's just storage, which is really nice. It's just big concreted storage, so that's where I'll be keeping all my Christmas and seasonal decor. And then over here they had a bar set up. I don't know what we're gonna do with this area. And then over here, this is probably where we're going to actually put our gym equipment, because we like how bright it is in here, and that you can walk out to the patio, so we can open this and let like fresh air in. But this is probably where we will put our gym equipment. And then this room here is kind of like a little, I don't know what you would call it. I've got to clean it. It's very filthy. This is where they let their dogs in to like stay cool. So they could come in that doggy door or go out, and they could come in here and then not get in the house. I've got to clean in here. I'm going to like bleach it majorly, but I do like this little room because it's nice that if I want to let them out and they want to come in, they can sit in there until I'm ready to get them or whatever. But that's all that is. And then this little space here, I don't know what that was used for. It's just kind of weird space. And then we've got the closet, and then in here is the guest room. So it's just, there's a closet, basement, typical basement window. This stuff here, they had a picture covering it. I'm going to have to get a really big picture, I think, too, and hang over that stuff. It's just like fuse boxes or whatever they're called, breaker boxes and stuff like that. So, but it's just a room. I do love the paint color in here. I think it's a really pretty. Okay, and then the guest room has a guest bathroom attached to it. It just has a little pedestal sink and mirror, and then the toilet, and then the shower, and they left that little shelf there. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not. I mean, this bathroom's not the prettiest, but to be honest, it probably won't have people in it, but maybe once or twice a year. So, and then you walk out here into this little gym area. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the big barn. I'll show you like what the outside looks like. So it's like a big barn shop, whatever. I gotta find the lights in here. They're right here. So this is my husband's shop. These are all the old kitchen cabinets that were in the kitchen when they renovated. They just put them in here, which I think is really neat because it's lots of storage. These were the old countertops. And yeah, I'm not going to show over here because they still have their RV here, and I just don't want to put that on here in case they don't want it on here. But it does go all the way over here. It has that garage door, and then it has 3 up here. And then we bought the girls this. We bought this off of them. This little go-kart. So they're pretty excited about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This isn't that exciting for y'all, I'm sure. But my husband's very excited about this. Hi. Smile. You're on YouTube. That's my Aunt Rochelle. Okay, so that was everything. I think I showed you everything, but you guys will be seeing a lot more of it, of course, when I need to close the fridge. When we get in here and everything, I'll be doing some unpacking videos and cleaning videos and all of that good stuff. But anyways, make sure you stay tuned because I think, let's see, this is going up on Monday. Wednesday should be one of the first cleaning videos or like unpacking and organizing videos that you guys will see. So stay tuned and I will see you soon.